Hey everyone, JT here. In this lesson, we're going to dive deeper into the entrepreneur mindset by understanding your customers and what drives them. Remember, as entrepreneurs, it's not just selling products and services. We're selling solutions, emotions, and experiences. Think about some of the most iconic brands out there. Think of Nike. They don't just sell shoes, they sell the feeling of empowerment and the athletic achievement. Think of Coca-Cola. They just don't sell soda. They sell the happiness, the nostalgia, and the shared moments of joy. Now, look at Red Bull. They just don't sell energy drinks. They sell the lifestyle of adventure, adrenaline, and pushing boundaries. These brands understand that people buy based on emotions and desires. They tap into those deeper needs and create products and experiences that resonate with their customers on a personal level. So, how can you be there for your customer like no one else can? Identify their pain points. What problems are your customers facing, and what can your products and services solve them? Craft a compelling story. Connect with your customers on an emotional level by sharing your brand stories and values. Create a unique experience. Go above and beyond to provide exceptional customer services and create a memorable experience. Build a community. Foster a sense of belonging and connections among your customers. By understanding your customers' needs and desires, you can create a loyal following and build a successful business that truly makes a difference in their lives.